When I started at the college, it was to learn British Sign Language and deaf awareness because I am hard of hearing. And then it progressed from there on to working with Serena as a volunteer in the college while I attended classes for teacher training, the Postgraduate Certificate of Education.
I've worked in Estramaner College for a number of years, and I've had the privilege of meeting Joyce over the last couple of years, where she started as a volunteer working with me with students with learning difficulties.
I was asked by the college if I would like to work as a one-to-one with a profoundly deaf student who was also autistic, communicating for him, and we're trying to give him a language that he can use, and he's improving tremendously. He came to us and he could make noises, but he was unable to talk. And recently we've actually got him saying his name.
Joyce has introduced different ways and different and easier language, whether it's pictorial or whatever, so the student can take part in any activity, so they're more independent.
I love it. I love working with the A's department students because they bring so much of their own personality into the classroom. It's incredible, and they laugh, they sing, but they put their heads down and they'll work and they give their all, and then you think, yeah, we've done it.
I think Joyce deserves the award, although she won't agree. She works so hard and she does deserve the praise and congratulations that we all send her. Our students would be lost without her.
I still can't believe it. I really can't. I didn't know anything about it. Serena came over to me and said there was somebody in the college who wanted to talk to me. So I thought she'd got us into trouble with one of the management, as per usual. And I went along, and then they explained, and I couldn't believe it. I just truly couldn't believe it, and I still can't.